Normally, weight loss is seen as this like difficult difficult thing, and of course not fun at all. What I want to do is show you a different way in which it is fun. In fact, the prevailing technique I use is one of fun. It's actually one of simply enjoying it, and you'll come to understand what that means through the event. Enjoying it and letting that enjoyment do all the work for you. Because think about it, when you enjoy something, you're naturally self-motivated, aren't you? You don't have to push yourself to do it. You don't have to use willpower. You don't have to use effort. You're attracted to it. You're pulled by the enjoyment of it. You know, when I play soccer, I play it for the enjoyment of it because anyone makes me play it. So it's the same thing. What I'm going to teach you is how you can use joy as a technique for weight loss. I mean, how cool is that? And I don't see anyone talk about this, so that's why I share it. I share it with you so that you may use it. And in my event, I do have, because what's important to me is that it actually works for you. Okay, so when you purchase the event, you'll get that 1 hour with me, which I'll talk about it. And then we can have Q&A afterwards as well. You'll get a private Facebook group in which we can communicate, and you can ask things, and you can go live and I can go live, and we can communicate with each other to make sure everything is as clear as possible. And I have a 30-day money back guarantee. If I invite you to actually use the technique as described, use it as described and apply it to every area of life without exception. And if you do that and after 30 days you're not seeing any results, any significant results, then you're most welcome to get your money back. I'm not interested in siphoning off your money. I'm interested in getting your results. So if that's the case, then you're welcome. Not a big deal. So I invite you to this event. I hope you'll enjoy it. And I'll hope you learn that it can be fun to lose weight. You can use fun as a technique. How cool is that? It's really fun. I hope to see you soon.